All right, on job number 2 of today. So this is a vacant tile cleaning job here, but you notice we got all the hose out today. It was a long one, so we had to park here and go all the way there and up into the unit. So definitely a long hose run. We're just starting to get set up now. Just gonna turn this Butler system on here with the gauge. Speed. So this is definitely a long hose run. This is about, I would say, 300 feet. Should be about 300 feet. This is how much we usually carry on the truck with us. But had to go up these stairs here. Luckily the unit is vacant, so it'll be nice clean for us. Got Becky CRVing over there. Got everything ready to go. Starting over in the kitchen.
The next day.
Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to another Steam Boss video. I hope everyone is doing great today. It is Sunday today. We don't typically work on Sundays, but today is a little bit different. We actually have 2 jobs today. We had a emergency carpet cleaning job that came up, so we're gonna go do that this morning. Pretty small. And then after that, we have a color seal job that we have to get done. It's going to be a really good transformation, so that's the video I'm going to show you guys today, is about the color sealing. We're redoing an old job that was done about 5 years ago, so we're going to make it look really, really nice. So yeah, let's jog on over there. Alright, so here is the job for today. We're going to be color sealing all this grout after we have cleaned it already the other day. So on the surface here, it doesn't look too bad. It's kind of hard to convey this stuff on camera, but here's kind of what we got going on in the kitchen. So you can see there that this here is the original color of the grout, and it was at one point color sealed this whitey beige kind of color here. Along the edges, it's pretty bad. Kind of see it there. And mainly here in the walkway, you can kind of see it here as it's pretty much just gone. So that's kind of what the whole house looks like. So from a distance on camera, it doesn't look too bad, but when you're here in person, you can really, really see how bad these grout lines are. Now, if you go to a spot where there's not a lot of traffic, so all through here is pretty bad. If we go to a spot, let's pick a spot over here where was something on the top of it, you can see that, let's see if we can get it here, that's kind of what it's supposed to look like there when it's not worn off at all. So big difference between how it looks over here and how it looks over there. So we want it all to be like this, obviously everywhere. Now the color that we're using is slightly lighter than what he's currently got on. Got Sue over here helping me today, trying to knock this out. So this is quite a bit of work over here.
We're gonna knock this out.
We're gonna knock it out. So we did a little test spot right here. So you can kind of see that's the alabaster that we're using. So this is a little test spot we did. So it's gonna look like that versus that's undone there. So there was the test spot we did. He really liked the color, and you can see here more fading here, and I think it's going to turn out really good. So without further ado, we're going to get our turbo seal. You got it in your hand? turbo seal. So we're gonna, well,
Scooter?
they didn't even see that.
No, the turbo seal and my
right there.
my
And we got our
scooter.
trusty scooter.
And we're getting it done.
And we're just gonna be jamming it out. So she's got one bottle, I'm gonna grab another bottle. I'm gonna start over here in the kitchen where it's pretty bad. She's starting up front where it's pretty bad. And we'll see what she looks like when it's done. Should be good. Looking real good. All that's kind of done over here. Kind of just working my way, doing all these lines first, then we'll do all those. All right. So here's what it's looking like here as we're getting done. All the color seal that's been redone over here. You can kind of see where we stopped. So look good so far. Keep going.
A few moments later.
All right, small update here. Been about 40 minutes or so. We got this laundry room done here. I'm working kind of in this area. Gonna put all the chairs back. So in the areas where it's not too bad, you can see it's a fairly subtle difference. We're turning it from that, but it'll just be enough where it'll pop real nice. So all that is already done, and this is not. Overall, getting there. It's definitely a process. Let's go see how much fun Sue's having. She's not even using the cart. I'll take the cart.
Take the cart.
See, it's looking good.
Yeah, it's a little harder here at
Much
the door
better.
because
Look
it's
at that.
so wore off that.
Yep, so it's a very time-consuming process with good results at the end, but that's definitely why it costs a decent amount of money to do this process, is because, well, it's just a lot of labor involved and a lot of time to make it look good. So anyway, kitchen now drying up. Kitchen looks great. And gonna finish this area, probably move the furniture to one side over here, do one side, and then do the other. Getting there.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so it's been about 2 hours since I actually last talked to you guys when we were in the hallway over here, which looks really nice, as you can see. So we got kitchen done, hallway's looking really good. This is all done. Laundry room. So the only thing we got left is that area over there and behind these two things, but everything else is done. So you can kind of see here where we stopped. Let's see. So there's kind of a difference. I get the shadow of the camera right there.
Here's a difference here if you can
It's
see
all
this.
good.
Right here.
Oh yeah, we missed one path. So that's an easy one to see on camera. We missed one line there, so we'll obviously have to go back and make sure we didn't miss anything, because it is easy to miss when you're doing grout lines for hours. But overall, looking really, really good. So I'm probably going to end the video here. I'll show you guys a few after photos after this. But if you guys are interested in this service, just let us know over here at Steam Boss. We are happy to help you make a dramatic difference in the look of your tile, or just give it a refresh, whatever it so may need. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you for all of our new subscribers. We appreciate you. And as usual, we'll see all you guys on the next video. Peace.